Have you ever wondered why a product claimed to have helped thousands of people recover from kidney disease is now banned by the FDA? According to recent data from the National Kidney Foundation, more than 37 million Americans suffer from chronic kidney disease, yet solutions like this one are facing unexpected obstacles. In this video, you'll discover the life-changing benefits of this product, hear real success stories, and uncover the truth behind the controversies. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights to protect your kidneys and boost your overall health. Let me share a true story about one of my viewers. Previously, when they received their blood test results showing a creatinine level of 2.57 milligrams per deciliter, they felt hopeless. The doctor warned that their kidney function had significantly declined, and without lifestyle changes, they would face serious complications. Determined to improve their health, they began searching. After countless nights of research, they discovered the PureNutrition channel and learned to adopt a low animal protein diet, reduce salt intake, and incorporate turmeric, a highly effective anti-inflammatory food. Additionally, they used a special kidney support supplement, later banned by the FDA for not being fully approved. Just 3 months of persistence later, they returned to the hospital for a checkup and couldn't believe the results. Their creatinine level had dropped to 1.31 milligrams per deciliter. They were overjoyed. This is proof that before giving up hope, consider exploring natural ways to heal your body. As we can see, the FDA, in their infinite wisdom, decided to block all transactions of red yeast rice. They have been sending cease and desist letters to companies and all that. But why would they ban it, you may ask? Is it because this supplement is ineffective, or could it be because it's dangerous? Actually, no. But why would the FDA ban this supplement? Well, of course, because it works. More importantly, because a pharmaceutical company called American Company was able to patent the natural molecule monocolin K. Number 4. The FDA ban. Red yeast rice, Monascus purpureus, also known as red koji rice, contains a powerful compound called monocolin K. This ingredient is well known for its ability to lower cholesterol, making it especially useful for people with metabolic syndrome and those looking to improve their cardiovascular health. However, despite these health benefits, the red yeast rice supplement faces restrictions. The reason is not due to safety concerns, but because monocolin K has been patented as a pharmaceutical compound. As a result, its availability in natural supplement form is limited. In the U.S., the FDA classifies red yeast rice containing monocolin K as an unapproved drug rather than a supplement due to its status as a patented drug ingredient. FDA's chief judge has criticized the FDA for decisions seen as benefiting large pharmaceutical companies rather than prioritizing public health. This reflects concerns that the FDA may prioritize the economic interests of the pharmaceutical industry over the safety and welfare of consumers. In countries like Italy, red yeast rice is still legally sold with the monocolin K ingredient, which has a proven cholesterol-lowering effect. This highlights the differences in how various countries regulate products with medical benefits, while the FDA in the U.S. continues to enforce strict and controversial regulations related to the management of supplements containing monocolin K. So, this situation opens up a discussion about whether the FDA truly always prioritizes public health over commercial interests. Number 3. Coffee. Dr. Mike, a popular YouTuber, claims that coffee and French fries contain acrylamide, a chemical that could be harmful and potentially linked to cancer. This statement could cause concern among consumers because acrylamide is known to form when foods are cooked at high temperatures. However, I explained that the acrylamide content in coffee is very low, specifically around 0.45 micrograms per serving. This amount is very small and not enough to pose a health risk. It is important to note that acrylamide is not only found in coffee but also in other foods like French fries, toast, and many other roasted or fried foods. Besides food, acrylamide can also form in cigarette smoke. Comparing the acrylamide levels in food with those in cigarette smoke shows that the levels in food are much lower than from other sources. While acrylamide is a controversial substance, it is crucial to understand that its potential harm depends on the dose and frequency of exposure. Comparing acrylamide levels in food with those from other harmful sources, such as cigarette smoke, provides consumers with a more balanced and realistic view of the actual risk of acrylamide in our daily diets. In summary, while acrylamide can form in food when cooked at high temperatures, the levels in coffee and French fries are very low and do not pose a significant health risk. Moreover, when compared to other sources of acrylamide, such as cigarette smoke, the levels in food are still within a safe range. Consumers should consider this information when making dietary choices and not be overly concerned about potential risks from acrylamide in food. Number 2. Is fiber healthy? Dr. Robert Kills, a renowned health expert, has attracted attention for his controversial stance on a fiber-free diet. He claims that such a diet is beneficial to health, but the research he cites lacks solid scientific evidence. This raises concerns about the accuracy of his advice, as other nutrition experts assert that fiber is an essential part of a healthy diet, supporting digestion and reducing the risk of heart disease. We have large studies like this meta-analysis with 98,241 people that tell us that for every 10 grams of fiber you eat daily, your risk of death is reduced by 10%. That's right, eat a salad, live longer. Number 1. Curcumin. Dr. Saladino, another doctor known for extreme views, argues that foods like turmeric and black pepper are harmful. However, recent studies have shown that turmeric and black pepper are actually very beneficial to health. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Black pepper also enhances the absorption of essential nutrients from other foods and supports metabolism. In conclusion, I emphasize that in today's information age, consumers need to be cautious when choosing health information sources. Relying on self-proclaimed experts or research lacking solid evidence can lead to misguided health decisions. The best advice is to seek trustworthy sources, such as reputable scientific research and guidance from qualified health professionals. Avoid dialysis now with this little-known method. Have you ever wondered if there's a faster way to avoid dialysis, something doctors might not even know about? According to a recent study by the National Kidney Foundation, nearly 1 in 7 adults in the U.S. are affected by kidney disease, but many don't realize there are alternatives to traditional treatments. Imagine a life without dialysis, where you can improve kidney health and boost your overall well-being. Stay tuned to learn a little-known method that could change your health forever. Watch till the end to discover invaluable tips that could protect your kidneys and improve your life. A non-dialysis protocol has been proven effective in significantly improving kidney function in end-stage kidney disease, CKD stage 5, patients, while also helping them avoid the need for dialysis. This method is based on 3 simple yet effective steps and can be flexibly applied to patients at any stage of kidney disease. With its ability to slow down the progression of kidney function decline or completely halt the disease's advancement, this protocol offers new hope for comprehensive kidney health management and improvement. Do you know about your toxin absorbers? And how do they work to prevent you from needing dialysis? Surprisingly, this superabsorbent is a small black pill called AS120, a special version of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal sounds familiar, right? In medicine, it's often used for emergency treatment of poisoning. Imagine it as a vacuum cleaner for your digestive system, sucking up everything from toxins to the double-layered burger with cholesterol you just had for lunch. Activated charcoal doesn't discriminate, it sweeps away everything, including medications, vitamins, and essential nutrients you need. So, don't make the mistake of overusing it long-term. AS120 was developed to solve this issue. This little pill is specially designed for chronic kidney disease, CKD, patients, helping remove your toxins like ammonia, uric acid, and creatinine, without stripping away other important nutrients. When these toxins build up, the kidneys are further damaged, and the vicious cycle continues. AS120 is truly a lifesaver, but there's one thing: you won't find it in Europe or the US. Yes, it's so effective that it doesn't seem to make it through the system. But if you're in Japan or certain other Asian countries, where this drug has been successfully used, ask your doctor about it. Don't worry if AS120 is out of reach, because there are other ways to help your body cleanse toxins daily, even if you're in the US or Europe. There are certain supplements that CKD patients can use, but the key is they should be based on blood test results, not guesswork. When a new patient comes to see me, the first thing I do is pore over their latest test results, like a detective looking for clues. For example, if their serum bicarbonate, CO2, is lower than 22 milliequivalent/L, that's a sign they need sodium bicarbonate. This is crucial because too much acid in the body is the fastest way to end up on a dialysis machine. For other toxins, like phosphorus, it's essential to test and keep levels below 4.6 milligrams per deciliter. If this hasn't been checked, take the initiative to ask your doctor. To control phosphorus, calcium carbonate is an effective binder. But remember, the dosage needs to be adjusted based on blood tests. This is not something you just take on a whim. And here's another secret: Lactulose, a prebiotic, can be very helpful. It works differently from AS120, so the two can complement each other when used together. Kidney health is a journey, but with the right knowledge and the support of experts, you can absolutely stay in control. We'll go through each step, each method, together. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek the best solutions for you. Lactulose is a type of prebiotic that supports the digestive system and reduces toxins in the gut through three main mechanisms: acting as a laxative, enhancing beneficial bacteria, and reducing blood creatinine levels. In another study conducted on patients with stage 4 and 5 chronic kidney disease, CKD, those who used lactulose were able to see a reduction in their creatinine levels. They started the treatment with an average creatinine level of 3.90 milligrams per dl and ended with only 3.6. To achieve these remarkable results, patients took lactulose, 30 milliliters or 20 grams, 3 times a day for 8 weeks. Researchers believe that these outstanding results are due to lactulose's ability to significantly improve the gut microbiota in individuals with CKD. Lactulose helps soften stools, stimulate bowel movement, and increase secretion, which prevents constipation and improves digestive function. Additionally, lactulose provides nourishment for beneficial bacteria in the gut, especially the strains of bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, which help promote the growth of these beneficial microbes, balance the gut microbiota, support digestion, and enhance overall health. Finally, Lactulose has the ability to reduce blood creatinine levels, an important indicator of kidney function, which contributes to improved kidney health and reduces the risk of toxicity from waste products in the body. One thing I often recommend is Psyllium husk. It's a form of soluble fiber made from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant. While many people use this incredibly helpful supplement to improve regularity, gut health, and even manage high cholesterol and diabetes, psyllium is also linked to significantly reducing creatinine levels in kidney patients. In a study, participants had an average creatinine level of 2.44 mg per deciliter at the start, but after taking 23 grams of fiber daily for just 4 weeks, their creatinine dropped to 2.21. This is quite significant, especially considering it was achieved with nothing more than dietary fiber. Now, if you're thinking about trying psyllium husk, something I highly recommend, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're new to fiber, start slowly. And don't take it at the same time as any prescribed medication. The typical dose is 5 to 10 grams, 2 to 3 times a day. A great strategy is to take it 15 to 30 minutes before meals, as it can help slow down sugar absorption and lower cholesterol. Now, folks, both detoxifiers and prebiotics can certainly help lower creatinine levels significantly, there's no doubt about that. But let's be honest, these methods don't compare to the nearly 50% reduction in creatinine levels that some patients on this protocol, without dialysis, have experienced. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, the key factor behind these incredible results is just one part of a 3-step protocol. So, what's the final piece of the puzzle? Let's turn to the published study, a low-protein diet, 0.6 to 0.8 grams per kilogram, of high biological value, supplemented with carbohydrates and polyunsaturated fats. A low-protein diet plays an important role in protecting kidney function. By reducing protein intake, it helps decrease the production of urea, a waste product that the kidneys need to filter out. This reduces the burden on the kidneys, helping them function more efficiently. Additionally, a low-protein diet helps prevent kidney deterioration and the need for dialysis by preserving kidney function. In terms of dietary details, it is recommended to consume between 0.6 g and 0.8 g of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. This amount of protein helps the body maintain normal function without significantly increasing urea levels in the blood. The diet should also emphasize the intake of carbohydrates and healthy polyunsaturated fats to provide sustained energy without relying heavily on protein. These fats and carbohydrates not only offer long-lasting energy but also reduce the strain on the kidneys. Furthermore, plant-based foods should be prioritized as they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while also providing carbohydrates and polyunsaturated fats, all of which support overall health without overloading the kidneys. To manage blood acid levels, the goal is to prevent acidosis, especially when blood CO2 levels are low. The solution is to supplement with sodium bicarbonate, which helps maintain a safe blood pH. This supplementation corrects any imbalances in the body and prevents the buildup of acid in the blood, which is critical in the treatment of chronic kidney disease. Regarding phosphorus control, the goal is to keep phosphorus levels in check to prevent cardiovascular and bone problems caused by high phosphorus. Using calcium carbonate is an effective way to maintain phosphorus levels below 4.6 mg per deciliter, helping to reduce phosphorus buildup in the body and prevent related complications. Lastly, for the best results, a low-protein diet combined with detoxification methods helps reduce the workload on the kidneys, delay the progression of chronic kidney disease, and potentially avoid the need for dialysis. Reducing protein intake minimizes waste products from protein metabolism, lightening the load on the kidneys. Strict adherence to this regimen, alongside regular consultations with a specialist, is essential for effective management and treatment adjustment. We've reached the end of today's journey. If you found the content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch. See you in the next video. Have an amazing day.